A retailer bought a consignment of DVD players for €12,000. He sold half of them at 14% markup and the other half at 20% margin. Calculate the total selling price and hence the total profit made. Okay. So a retailer bought a consignment of DVD players for €12,000. He sold half of them at a 14% markup and the other half at a 20% margin. Calculate. So if half of them are 6,000, okay, so remember markup is profit divided by costs multiplied by 100 equals, okay. So one of them's 14. So what we got to do is cost is 6,000 because we know that much. Profit multiplied by 100 equals 14. Now this should be easy to do because 100 divided by 6,000, cancel the two zeros, is 60. And then P, 60 is division on the right, which will make it multiplication on the left. 60 multiplied by 14. I'm sorry, I'm in the wrong function there. 60 multiplied by 14 is 840, guys. So P equals 840. So the first half you made a profit of 840 on it. Okay, so you would have sold them for 6,000 plus your profit for the selling price. So you sold half of them for 6,840. Now the next one we're going to do is your margin, which is profit divided by selling price. Profit divided by selling price multiplied by 100, and this time it's 20%, which is 20. Okay, and what we're going to do this time is your selling price is your cost, which is €6,000 plus your profit. So 6,000 plus P, because selling price is your cost plus your profit made, and that all has to equal 20. Now multiplication of 100 becomes division of 100, so it's going to be 20 divided by 100, which is simply 1 over 5. So that's when we bring the 100 over the other side. Okay, so the 100 goes underneath, comes 20 over 100, 1 over 5. Then we have a P into 6,000 plus P. Now we're going to cross multiply. 5 times P is 5P. Division of right on the division of 5 on the right is multiplication of 5 on the left. Division of 6,000 plus P on the left will be multiplication of 6,000 plus P. So it's going to be 1 times 6,000 plus P, which is simply 6,000 plus P. Bring the 1P to the left, 5P take away, 1P is 4P. 4P equals €6,000. Divide by 4, and our P value is 1,500. Our 1,500 is our profit, so this means we sold it for 7,500 because you have to add it on to the P. So, going to add both of these together. And what we get here is 6,850, 840 I meant. 7,500. That equals 14,340. The total cost is 12,000. Take away your 12,000 and you get 2,340 profit. That's how much profit you made. Okay, so that's question 10. This is question 11. A retailer bought a shipment of 8,500 MP3 players. She sold a quarter of them at 16% markup and the remaining 3 quarters at this much margin. So what's 1 quarter of 8,500? So 8,500 divided by 4 is €2,125 worth of MP3 players, and then 3 quarters would be multiply that by 3, 6,375. So the first one is, you have 8,500, so you have 2,100, markup. Markup is profit divided by costs multiplied by 100. So profit is going to be P divided by cost, which is 2,125, multiplied by 100, and equals 16%. So 100 is multiplication on the left, which makes a division on the right. 2,125 is division on the left, which makes it multiplication on the right. So what's 16% of 2,125? 340. So the profit is €340. Okay, so you sold that part for 1,125 plus 340. That part of the MP3s were sold for 340 profit, so 340 plus 1225, 2,465. Okay, next part is we're doing this time we're doing margin. Okay, so margin is profit divided by selling price multiplied by 100, and this equals 36.25. Your profit is P. Your selling price is your 6,375, which is 3/4 of the amount, plus your profit. That equals 36.25. Oh, sorry, multiplied by 100 as well. Okay, multiplication of 100 on the left is division of 100 on the right. So 36.25 divided by 100. Which is 29 over 80. So 29 over 80. So 29 over 80 is the same amount as P over 6,375 plus P. So we're going to cross multiply. 80 is division on the right, which makes it multiplication on the left. So it's 80 multiplied by P. And then it's going to be 29 multiplied by 6,375 is division on the left. Plus P is division on the left, which makes a multiplication on the right. So it's going to be 29 multiplied by 6,375, which is 184,875 plus 29p. Bring the 29p out the other side and take it away, and you get 51p equals 1,084,875 divided by 51. And you actually made a profit of 3,625. Okay. Now, you originally had 3,625. So you originally had this much, which was 6,375 euros worth of MP3 players. You sold it for a profit of 3,625. Add both of them together, I think we're going to get 10,000. You sold them for 10 grand. So you sold 3/4 of them for 10 grand, 1/4 of them for 2,465. You sold them all for 12,465, and you spent 8,000. So that's the selling price. Total selling price is 12,465, and total profit made is take away the 8,500. We find our total profit made in $3,965. Sorry guys, now I'm on to question 12. Alright, kept rolling there. I paused it for a second, but obviously didn't pause. Emergent buys, do we have a question 13? Oh, thank God. Now, Emergent buys tea for €3.26, €3.29 per kilogram, and then sells at a profit 60% off the cost price to a customer in England. The exchange rate is €1 sterling. Actually, guys, yeah, we don't need to worry about this one, so we're done.